Nope.
Why does it taste like dry pasta smells? Hey guys, I'm Candace the Edgy Veg, and I'm here again with my friend Louie.
Hello.
And you know what that means? That means we're going to taste test some stuff. We got stuck quarantined together. Do you have something to say about that?
No.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
I thought we would do another taste test. I had all of this ice cream in my freezer, so I thought it might be entertaining for you guys to watch us eat some ice cream.
Because that's always a lot of fun. Watch us enjoy ourselves. You sit there and we will indulge.
If you are new here, hit that subscribe button. I make new videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays at 4 p.m. If you like these taste test videos, give this video a big thumbs up. And let us know what you think of Louie in the comment section down below. No, I'm just kidding. Without further ado.
This one's concerning me. Look how much give there is in the package.
Okay.
That's why I was touching it before.
So we are taste testing different types of vegan ice cream. We went out and got so much. Actually, we got so much that we're going to make this into a 2-part video. We're gonna taste test 6 in this video and 6 in the next. We're gonna start with ice creams that are vegan, made with a variety of different bases that are non-dairy.
Mélange.
You have this one in your hand, so why don't you show it to the nice people.
This is Arctic Zero non-dairy frozen dessert. It is a salted caramel flavor. Only 40 calories.
I'm sorry?
I'm hungry, but what the hell?
So I show the nice people what we're dealing with here.
What is that?
What is this nonsense?
I feel like it was all the way out, but then it like shrunk.
So first of all, it feels like there's nothing in
It's
here.
really light.
This is salted caramel flavor.
Very bizarre. Warm your spoons.
So we have some boiling hot water here.
It's the best way to be able to dig into hard ice cream.
Oh no.
Oh, that doesn't look promising at all. God.
It's like icy.
It's like digging into a freezy.
So the ingredients are water, organic cane sugar, dietary fiber, fava bean protein. So it's made out of fava beans.
The texture isn't great, but the flavor is pretty good. Kind of missing its salted caramel. I feel like it's missing the salted.
You're right, the flavor is good.
It tastes like butterscotch.
Yeah,
That's
it tastes like
butterscotch.
a Werther's
100%.
caramel. It's like a salted caramel sorbet.
Yeah, if you blended this into like a milkshake with like soy milk or something like that, and broke it down and then made it smooth.
Are we doing that later?
Yeah, that's actually a pretty good idea.
Yeah. I'm not mad at it. It's just not, if you're looking for like that creaminess of ice cream, that ain't it, sis.
No, that's a functional ice cream to be used in other concoctions.
So you picked the first one, so I'm picking the second one.
I know which one you're going for. Yeah.
How do you even know?
Because I knew it before you even reached
This one? Well, I'm curious. So this is the Chufaco Tiger Nut frozen dessert.
I've never heard of tiger nut.
It's actually not a nut. It is prebiotic, so I guess it's a health food. Low sugar cappuccino flavor and keto friendly.
Look at the ingredients.
Water, tiger nut, coconut oil, inulin, fava bean protein. So it's tiger nuts and fava beans again.
That looks normal.
It looks like the same color as the other one.
Yeah.
Same consistency.
The stevia, you can like taste the, there's like a
yeah, like
chemically, yeah, exactly. There's that chemical aftertaste. That kind of looks like the same texture as the last one.
I hate it. It tastes.
That's fucking terrible. What the fuck is that? You just blended dirt with soy milk.
It's dirt. Not even soy milk. Tiger nut. No, why did I go in for...
What? That's the worst frozen dessert of any kind I have ever consumed. It tastes like sadness. It tastes like disappointment.
Okay, but there is like a very distinct
earthy flavor to that.
Yeah, it tastes like shitty dried mushrooms.
Yeah, now I really don't want to be disappointed on this. So my favorite ice cream flavor is cookies and cream. And like when they used...
Of all the ice cream flavors, that's your favorite? What do you buy?
Yes. Have we met? Oreos, the best cookie. Cookies and cream is the next one that we are going to try. By Nadamu.
Nadamu, like there's not a moo in it because it's dairy free. Biscuits et crème.
It's made out of organic coconut milk, organic guar gum, water, organic agave nectar, organic tapioca syrup, and there's like 30 other ingredients.
Right, so the base of it is coconut.
See. Oh. That's what we're looking at here. Already slightly disappointed because the chunks of cookie don't seem to be as large as I usually would prefer.
Oh, it goes in nicely. Watch the scoopage. Oh, that's much creamy. Better.
Are there actually?
That's much better than anything else we've seen.
Damn ice cream. Oh.
The texture's really off.
I would say it's the closest of the three.
It's
100%.
good. It's good. It's just
On like a
it's
granular,
missing a creaminess.
and it's close to it, but there's like a texture to it when you get down to it that doesn't like totally smooth out.
No, I don't taste coconut, which usually happens with coconut milk.
I feel
So
like
I
there's
like it.
like the slightest undertone of coconut, but it's super subtle.
It's very good.
It's not bad.
Would repurchase.
Use some Oreo-looking cookies on the front. To me, seems slightly misleading because
There's definitely
those are not.
There's definitely hardly any in there.
No, and like good cookies and cream has literal chunks, like a third of a cookie of like an Oreo in there, surrounded by dense, creamy, sweet ice cream. You know?
Very passionate
You
about
know.
this.
Oh, you know, we should have done a rating system.
I know, I thought of that, but now it's too late. We're already halfway
we
through.
We can kind of like retroactively. I would give this like a 4.
I would
This is
give
like a 4.
I
This
would-
one, that's like a 2.
I would give this a 2, not even a 2. I'd give it like a minus 15.
Yeah, okay. I'm with you on that.
Minus 15 for
Fictitious
the
rating.
for the Chufa code.
Get your shit together, bud.
Like what the? This I would give like a
5?
I was gonna say 6 because I'd enjoy eating it.
Yeah, like I went back for
Flavor wise, you know what? Flavor wise, I'd give it like a 7, but the texture is not there, so I'd give it a
6.
a 6.
Yeah, break the divide there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the Cherry Garcia non-dairy frozen dessert. This is made with almonds.
Almonds.
It's cherry with cherries and fudge flakes.
Neither of which I'm a huge fan of in ice cream.
I've never had normal Cherry Garcia.
Oh, wow.
So this is what it looks like.
Can you tell we have a sweet tooth?
Non-dairy frozen dessert, water, sugar, cherries, coconut oil, corn syrup solid, ground almonds, blah, pea protein. So pea protein and almond milk.
I bet it's gonna be a lot smoother because they're using the coconut oil as like as one of the top ingredients.
Ooh, do you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? It's nice and creamy.
It looks like mucho cremero. I don't know.
It's really sweet.
Texture is nearly bang on. You know what that tastes like? Did your grandparents ever make marzipan?
Fucking love marzipan.
What are you, 80?
No, I'm German.
It tastes like marzipan.
Marzipan is delicious.
Marzipan?
That's what it is.
I love some marzipan.
Whatever, I like it. It's way too sweet. So they've like really overcompensated with the corn syrup. Texture is pretty good.
Texture's the best one out of all these so far. Weirdly in between being frozen, but then almost too melty. So I'm going with rice dream. And we're just going with plain old vanilla.
So it's
Oh yeah, right. Ingredients: water, organic brown rice syrup, which is gonna be a sweet one, organic agave syrup, organic rice maltodextrin, organic sunflower oil, and or organic safflower oil, and or organic canola oil. What are you, just like maybe or maybe not?
Maybe we included it
Maybe
this
we
time, maybe we didn't.
Maybe we have peanuts in it, maybe we don't. You know,
It's
sea
different
salt.
when it's like bay contained because I get it, it's in a facility.
And or is it
But and or is like maybe we added
Maybe
it
we
this
don't.
time, maybe we didn't. Branding is like, they're really over like selling it.
It reminds me of
Indulge
like a-
yourself with the smooth, creamy taste of rice stream, trademark, frozen desserts.
It reminds me of like an 80s ad for like a cruise ship.
Also, it says we've combined carefully selected ingredients. Well, not carefully if you don't
And
know.
or. It's like carefully selected, but we're not sure. Not.
What?
Nope.
Why does it taste like dry pasta smells?
You know, like if you drop your phone in water and then you put it in rice for like 5 days, and then you tuck the rice away, and then you open it up and you smell it? That's what that tastes like. It tastes like that smell.
The aftertaste is that smell. The chufa was way worse.
I didn't spit out the chufa. That's terrible.
So,
That is god awful.
so how dare you market this to people that don't know that vegan food is good? If you were non-vegan, you're like, I'm
You
gonna
tried
do
that?
something good for the environment. You bought this, you'd never eat vegan food again.
No, I would go drink gravy.
Really specific. And now we're left with the cashew base, the So Delicious, dairy-free, simply vanilla, cashew, non-dairy, frozen dessert, gluten-free, non-GMO.
These ones are good. The salted caramel cluster that we've had from this company before is legit. I think I get my brands mixed up sometimes.
Oh, ooh, bitch, yes. Oh, let's see that creaminess. Yeah, honey.
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
Fucking
10 out of mother effing 10.
so delicious.
It's so delicious.
Bangs. It just Day 5 in quarantine. Please some help.
Captain's log.
No.
I've been stuck with this woman for 5 days.
We have plowed through one of these in like 30 minutes watching a movie.
I will not buy any other.
It is the best. Out of like any plant-based, like non-dairy ice cream, this one, every single flavor that I've tried is...
As long as it's the cashew one. They have like
a coconut
and almond milk.
Yeah, the cashew is like the creaminess. Go with them.
Everything's just, it's there.
It's goddamn fantastic.
That is our ice cream taste test part 1 of 2. If you like these taste test videos, give this video a big thumbs up. Let us know what you are doing to keep yourself busy during social isolation.
It's a lot of fun.
If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I make new videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays, and maybe more now that I have nothing else to do. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Goodbye.